Hi guys.
I was saying morning, but it's not. It's afternoon. Good afternoon.
Hope you're enjoying your weekend.
Yes, it's nice.
Hope the rest of it goes really well.
Well, it's sort of nice, isn't it? At least it's not
a
raining.
pleasant day, yeah.
It's pleasant. It's not like roasting hot. It's
No,
21
it's just-
degrees in here.
It's just
A local weather forecast for you.
nice. It's a bit of a cool breeze, but it's nice fluffy clouds in the sky.
I wish they were fluffy donuts.
The sun.
I wish we were having them
breaking
donuts again.
Oh yeah. You just
Yeah.
don't know what them donuts do.
Oh,
If you haven't been over and watched our new channel.
Go and have a look at our new channel, food channel. We are called. Go on.
It's Tracy and Colin, the food huggers.
We love our food.
So go over and have a look. We've got a few vlogs on there, the food that we've had lately. Desserts there as well, some really lovely ones. And donuts.
The best donuts ever.
Oh, you love them.
Been thinking about them all week.
Well, looking for an excuse to go back, get some.
Donuts is the excuse, let's just go.
Well,
You're out and about.
Yeah, out and about at the moment.
Just having a little
Spy.
drive. And we're going to, just going to go and get some shopping, aren't we?
Yep.
It's a basic Saturday.
We might even go to Ikea. Have a little look at some items there.
Might we?
Yeah.
That's news to me.
Well, there you go. I
There
like
you go.
surprising you, girl.
Thanks very much for that.
Surprise!
Woohoo!
So see you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
Just stopped off as something to eat, guys, on the way. We're not actually going to show you a vlog, but we will be vlogging this place at some point on our new channel. But we'll just show you what we just got to eat.
It's from.
Yeah, no, it's not. We're not telling you where it's from,
Right.
so you can't have a look until you actually see the vlog. So, looks very nice.
Doesn't that look lovely? It's a sausage and pepperoni.
Like a pizza
slice
pie,
of
innit?
Pie. Yeah, pizza pie. Okay.
So if you want to see that, go and head over to our other channel, and as soon as we've done that vlog, we'll show you. We have arrived.
Looks like we're in Ikea.
Ikea.
I'm not in there yet.
No.
But we're in the
Just
car
on the
park.
outside the car park.
Looks very busy.
So
isn't
isn't
it?
it? Yeah.
Parked right at the very back. So I don't know what the
Say back, but you'd say beginning, couldn't you?
no, it's the back because the vertical things are going up. So
The back end from the front.
we're in H. Last time we were here, we had to queue to meet in the car park.
Yeah. So we don't know what we're going to see when we get round the corner.
I don't think it's.
I hope not.
I hope not. I don't think there is queuing going on
No.
because all the car park looks to be in use, and that part of the car park wasn't.
No, it was filtered out, wasn't it?
Yeah. So.
Definitely looking at some tables and chairs. All the ways.
It's very busy in here.
It is, yeah. The kitchen area now.
Some of these kitchens are lovely though.
Yeah.
Even chairs like that. Some cars are a bit taller now, aren't they?
Yeah.
Ooh, look. See, now I could do that in our garden. I like
Just
that.
put that over.
Go on then.
And the wall folds down. Design your kitchen.
Does it?
Design your kitchen. Put the measurements in and build it.
Oh yeah, it's dark that, isn't it? Don't think I'd like that.
No, it's easy.
It's very dark.
Nice. Ooh, Space Age.
Game over. shed in our back. There's not one of them in there.
What for?
I don't know.
Freezing?
Oh.
You're freaking freezing up there.
That's nice, isn't it?
Mm.
I think definitely something on the house.
Hi guys.
Night then.
All night. Oh. Try this one.
Let's soft that one.
Soft.
That you practice new setups now.
Yeah.
These them lampshades remind you of a jellyfish.
A bit. He's all the tentacles hanging down, don't you?
I think I need to go to sleep now. That's making me dead sleepy.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's my room.
Yeah, looks like it.
My dressing room. If only, girl. You'd have one each, sit there. You'd have half of your stuff in here as well. What?
I like to just keep little daft things and keep them in such a nice place.
In your room.
One side to also one
I don't know where we put it. I don't know where that. I was like, oh, do you like that? Weird looking, but I like it.
I've seen things like that years ago. Ah, there you go. Star sign. Coffee in bed as well. Yes. Oh, it's not like the legs shades.
No, they are. It's coffee on here. Like scrunched up paper.
Imagine it in ours.
Oh,
The
they'd be
dust.
so dusty, I know.
It's trying to clean them. We ripped a bit. So keeping with the flamingo theme.
Ta-da!
Tracy's found some flamingo glasses.
Don't need glasses, but can't leave them, can I? It'd be lonely without me.
Keeping with the theme.
Yeah, exactly.
I want a team of winning £1 million. Start now.
I want you to have that theme as well.
Right.
I like that poem, it's very nice.
Nice, isn't it?
On the escalator.
Again?
It's juggy, this one, isn't
Says
it?
yeah. Me, my little
120 kilos.
Well, I'm glad you come when we did. It's a bit cute here now.
It's right round there now.
Yeah.
That's good.
Just in the nick of time. Right. We only got a few bits and bobs over there. We were looking for a collapsible table, maybe all the way chairs
And the blue balls.
for our other channel. Not the vans though.
Yeah.
That's just for the
I'll
house.
set you up on the table.
Let's get a bunch of flowers every time.
Well,
Right, we might do that.
yeah.
Okay, back in the car.
Stinks in here.
Tracy, what have you done?
Oh, that's cruel.
Hey.
I haven't done anything. It absolutely stinks in here.
Yeah, right then. So, wheels in motion, guys. Off we go.
Stop that, please.
Which? No, wheels in motion. There you go, you take over. Got it?
No. I haven't got it. Where are we going now?
Aldi.
Oh,
Excuse
it's
me.
not that funny, is it? Then where are we going?
Home.
Oh God.
Why, where do you want to go?
I don't want to go home.
I'm gonna burn it up. Right guys, race it. Okay. The family. So, yeah, I'm in. You in? We need to find that pork, don't we?
Pork?
So we can do our loads of fries.
Oh, yeah.
We will show you that, guys, when we do it.
Yeah, we will. I'm not sure I want that. What does it have if it's now cured?
Oh, God knows.
Ugh.
COVID.
Did you see that?
It's cured, isn't it? Oh, and the circles again. That's what we do.
That's what we do, isn't it?
No, that's what we do when we go
That's what I
shopping with
do.
Tracy.
Told you, you have to come
No
and do
circles.
it.
Mince.
Yeah, lean beef steak mince.
That's right. Nuts. Cashews. God bless you. Belly castle, white chocolate. Have a drink of that tonight. Yeah? Go back. Try now.
How nice is my glass?
Tracy's glass is there.
And look, don't know who showed you that. Oh, there's the little Mickey Mouse, whatever it is. Ice cube.
Excuse.
Lovely.
So in that,
So in the glass with my ice cubes, I'm going to try
the Valley Castle white chocolate.
White chocolate. It says white chocolate flavour. Country cream. Country. There's a
Country
word.
bumpkin.
Oh my god.
Come on, bumpkin.
Thank you.
Pour it out.
Oh, it looks a bit watery,
That'll do.
doesn't it?
You'll get drunk on any more than that.
Oh, it smells very nice there.
Does it?
It does look a bit watery like that.
Does it?
Do you think that looks watery?
It's not like it's watery, it's more a funny colour.
Lift up.
Oh, yeah, I will do. I was looking at your face. Hang on. Sorry about the mumbling in the background there. But,
It's all soft, lad.
yeah, on the phone. Let's just try this. Because Tracy's
Actually,
giving that.
I haven't, because I had to go back for another test of it. Now I've had a second test, I do think it's very nice. It looks a little bit suspect, but
It is nice.
but it is very.
Gargle on it.
It's very tasty, isn't it? Nice. It does taste the chocolate, doesn't it?
Oh. Sorry guys, couldn't resist. What are you laughing at?
It's nice.
Ow! Anyway.
That's called paying you back.
Yes.
Yeah, it's nice. I'll be having
It is
another one
nice,
then.
yeah. Well, Lisa,
I'm having it now.
having it now, are you?
Mhm.
Okay. So, I don't know what kind of a tea we're going to get. She's having it
A
now.
naff one.
Half off.
Exactly.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks everyone.
Don't forget our other channel,
Oh yes.
if you haven't already seen it.
The food huggers.
Yeah, Tracy and Colin, the Food Huggers. Go and take a look. You
It's
might
worth
like it.
it's worth a watch, isn't it?
Yeah, there's going to be plenty more vlogs on that as
There
well.
will.
So,
So
we'll
there
see you
go.
soon.
See you soon. Thanks for watching everyone. Take care.
Bye for now.
Cheers.
Yay. Just going to go and gargle now. See you in a bit.